Hey, what's up? This is the Ultimate Jedi. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be playing Pako Car Chase again. But the thing is, I played this game way before, but the thing is, I never uploaded a video for it. So, lucky me, I get to upload a video. And I wanna change the color. You know I like that blue. Alright. Alright, let's go. And it's just some funny moments. So yeah, we'll get some funny moments. What the heck? I'm too busy looking at cops wreck each other. I'm too busy looking at. And if you saw that, then yes, I know what you're thinking. But that's not what it looks like. It's a pillow. It's just a bunch of pillows. Trust. I know. It's funny. Okay, oh god. Don't hit the cars. Drifted. Oh. Oh my god. That would have been. Oh. That would have been so tragic. What the? Dead. Oh no! And I'm dead. I'm so dead. Let's go this way. I know there's one guy. Yeets! Haha! Oh, serious. I haven't played this game in so long. It's just all the funny moments are coming back to me. Drifted! Drifted! Boom. Wee wee wee. Whoop whoop. That's the sound of the police. Crap. Whoop whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop whoop. That's the sound of the police. Sound of the police. Okay. Oh no. Oh man, if I could actually drift around that, then that would have been awesome. Nope. College. Oh. Oh. Someone must have been trying to call. Someone I. Just don't worry. Okay. Oh no. Don't hit the sign. Drifting. Oh. Okay. Drifting. I actually had the supercar on here. Things blocky. Oh my god, they just ran straight into the wall. I know they was far away, but I saw them run straight into the wall. Well guys, I'm gonna end it right here. But if you like this video, go ahead and like it. And if you want to subscribe, be sure to subscribe to join Team Jedi and watch funny moment videos like these. Until then, this is the Ultimate Jedi signing out, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!